song, a world so bright.
A's for apple, red and round. Take a bite, crunch, crunch sound. Apple, apple in my hand. Sweet and tasty, oh so grand. B's for bee, buzzing high. Buzz, buzz, buzz up in the sky. Bee with stripes, flying free. Making honey for you and me. C is for cat, soft and sweet. Meow, 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 such tiny feet. Cat in the sun, purr all day. Happy kitty loves to play. D is for dog, wag your tail. Woof, 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 run on the trail. Fetch the ball, jump so high. Happy doggy, oh my, my. E is for elephant, big and strong. Trumpet loud, come sing along. Stomp, 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 pick great feet. Elephants march, sound so neat. F is for fish, swim, swim, swim. Glide in the sea from fin to fin. Tiny bubbles, up they go. Fishies dance is fun to show. G is for giraffe, tall and kind. Long, long neck, leaves to find. Stretch up high, nibble slow. Giraffe says hi, hello, hello. H is for hat, on my head. Green and shiny, just like Fred. Tip your hat and smile so wide. Keep the sunshine off your eyes. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. Melty treat for you to eat. Pink and blue, swirl, swirl, swirl. Ice cream's fun for every girl. J is for jump, up we go. High to the sky, fast and slow. Jump, 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 clap your hand. Happy feet all over the land. K is for kite, up in the sky. Fly, fly, fly so very high. Hold the string, don't let go. Kite is dancing to and fro. L is for lion, big and proud. Roar, roar, roar so very loud. Fluffy mane and golden shine. King of the jungle, oh so fine. M is for monkey, swing, swing, swing. Climbing trees is such a thing. Peel banana, munch, munch, munch. Monkey loves his jungle lunch. N is for nest, small and round. Up in the tree, safe and sound. 3 little eggs, 1, 2, 3. Mama bird sings happily. O is for octopus, arms so wide. 1, 2, 3, 4 and more beside. Swish, 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 under the sea. Octopus waves to you and me. P is for penguin, black and white. Slide on ice, such funny sight. Waddle, waddle, slip and glide. Penguins happy side by side. Q is for queen, pretty and fair. Golden crown and royal hair. Wave your hand, bow so low. Queen says hello, children, hello. R is for rainbow, bright and wide. Colors shining side by side. Red, blue, yellow, what a show. Rainbow glows after the snow. S is for sun, warm and bright. Wake up world, bring the light. Shine, 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 high above. Sun gives warmth and happy love. T is for train, chug, chug, go. Through the valley, fast, not slow. Toot, 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 watch it run. Riding trains is so much fun. U is for umbrella, open wide. Raindrops falling side by side. Tip, tap, tip, pitter, pat sound. Umbrella keeps you safe and sound. V is for violin, play, play, play. Music dancing all the way. Soft and sweet, strings that sing. Hear the lovely melody ring. W is for whale, deep and blue. Whoosh, whoosh, water splash on you. Swim so strong, tail so wide. Whale says hi from ocean's tide. X is for xylophone, ting, ting, ting. Colors bounce and music sing. Red, green, blue and yellow tone. Happy song on xylophone. Y is for yo-yo, up and down. Spin, 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 round and round. Yippee, yay, what a toy. Yo-yo brings us so much joy. Z is for zebra, black and white. Running fast, what a sight. Clip, clop steps, stripes so neat. Zebras dance is fun and sweet. A, B, C, D, D, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, and X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Yay! You learned all the letters from A to Z. See you next time, friends. Keep smiling and learning.